What's up guys, it's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to the channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking y'all to my co-worker's birthday dinner slash party. Yeah, I'm going to my co-worker's birthday dinner slash party, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Period. I don't know where to start. I don't know if you can tell that I'm anxious slash nervous slash a whole lot of things. I have my hair to, I think I want to put curls in my hair, and with this hairstyle I can part my hair in the middle. The headband is on there right now because I was lazy earlier. I can part it in the middle and I can part it to the side and I can do it in one, but I think that I'm going to do a side part, the side part with it, and some curls. Then I'm going to do this eyeliner, eye makeup look black because the whole fit is black. Y'all, I don't like my outfit, but what to do because this was like last minute and everything. I had another outfit in mind to wear somewhere that I thought I was gonna wear it here, but then I just think, why not just leave the outfit for where I was gonna wear it for, then just whatever. I'm going to show y'all the outfit already, so excuse my crazy. Like I said, I am in a rush as per usual. You know the drill. Outfit of the day is this leather, semi-leather top, crop top thingy. Then this leather, semi-leather skirt with like gray fire flames. Guys, this was not how the initial skirt looked, but because I'm super skinny, I had to go to the tailor and get it adjusted, and this is the outcome. But it's whatever. I'm used to altering my clothes or whatever. So low-key, the style of the skirt is kind of gone, but it's whatever. Then I'm pairing it with these sandals with some silver gems or studs, whatever, it's gems in there. Then I'm gonna wear this cute little bag with it. It can be a like crossbag, and it can be a little purse. I don't know which one I'm going to wear it with yet, but yep, that's the outfit. And like I said, I'm gonna try and put some curls in my hair. Hopefully I get the time to. Yeah, I'm gonna shower, do my hair, do my makeup, and that's it. Oh, I'm gonna shower, put my outfit on, do my hair, do my makeup, and then out the door. So stay tuned. Okay y'all, so like I said earlier, this is the fit. I just added a little bit of bling bling, some accessories to it, and like I said before, I'm really not feeling it, but what to do. So yeah, I'm going to do my hair, do my makeup, then I'm off. I feel like I'm going to be late because I wanted to leave the house by 6:30 and it's now like 5:20 something, and it's been a while since I've got weave in, so I don't know if I remember how to maneuver doing like the curls and stuff. But I really don't want to wear my hair straight because I don't like the outfit already, so I'm just trying everything to like maneuver it, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna time lapse. I am going to time lapse doing my hair, time lapse doing my makeup. But yeah, this is the video. I will be posting pictures because of course I'm gonna take pictures, so I'm gonna time lapse doing my hair, time lapse doing my makeup, and
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut down my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime.
okay, so yeah, this is how it turned out. Really can't do nothing much to it. I like it. I really wish the curls were more defined. I feel like the moment I step out of the house, all the curls are gonna be gone or like super loose, like I didn't curl it. But yeah, this is the end result. My loves. Doing this one over because it's a bit flat. But yeah. It's something. It's something. It's different. I like it. So yeah. Yeah, that's that. Period. I really hope that when I get out of the house, it doesn't look like I didn't try doing anything to it. Yeah, it's cute however. But yeah. On to the makeup, y'all, because it's now 6 and I wanted to leave out by 6:30. So you know what that is. Time lapse for the makeup.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Hit that house, nigga, tell me is you with it, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Dreams of living life like rappers do.
Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like gold, y'all. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty from the goals on. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on it, these niggas go. I've been in fiesta, like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want.
They have a lot. You want to come in there? Oh yeah, I'm trying to slow motion. So.